So what's up guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you guys exactly how you can make at least $10 for yourself without investing any money. Okay, first of all, if this is your first time seeing me, my name is Samuel. I'm Samuel the Hustler. As you can see right here on my screen, I do a lot of things about making money online. I teach things about crypto. I also have some upcoming videos that will teach you lots of ways you can make money easily without stressing yourself. So if you want to be in this league, please kindly give me a like and hit the subscription button kindly, so that whenever I drop video, you'll be the first and the first to also implement. You'll be the first to watch and the first to implement. So with that said, let's get right into today's video. So the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to the first link you're going to see in this video description. That link is going to take you straight up to this website called Sproutgigs. But let me show you exactly how to register your account so you don't get confused in any way. So what you want to do, you want to head over to open a new tab and you search for Sproutgigs. As you can see right here, I can just hit continue. This first white website you can see, just click on it. Once you click on it, you create an account. It's very easy to create an account, and this website is not restricted to some countries. It accepts every country. Okay, so you don't need to bother yourself about that. You register your account is going to look like this. As you can see right here, I have a pending order of 5 cents. I know it's not a lot, but I'm just showing you guys. I have my separate accounts where I make huge amount of money. Okay, but in this account I just want to use it as a tutorial for you guys, so you guys can see how it works. Okay, as you can see, I've earned 1 cent, 741. As you can see right here. So what you want to do is you want to come to here where it says micro jobs. You click on micro jobs, you click on find jobs. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, don't get yourself worried or pissed. I'll teach you exactly how it works. So let's scroll down a little bit. You can see this job right here. It says complete an offer and watch videos for 5 seconds, then you earn this. You earn $5. But the truth about this kind of offers is the fact that sometimes they are likely to be fake. They don't pay out. For example, if I should click on this, you can see that I've viewed this before. If you click on it now, I scroll down, you'll see where it says submit the P code you get. I've tried this offer and it didn't work out. Why? Because they didn't show me any P code when I did everything they asked me to do. I didn't see any P code there, so which means this offer is false. So if you want to see a legit offer that can pay you good, what I will advise you do is you go here where it says category, you click on the category button, then select sign up. This sign up means you select, you just want to then you that you can just sign up, maybe sign up your email, sign up this, sign up Facebook, sign up subscribe on Telegram, things like that, and you earn money. It's as simple as that. Okay, let me go ahead and reload the screen so this offers can be updated. I don't think it's yet updated. Let's go back. Let's click on sign up again, and let's wait for it to load up. Once it loads up, I'm going to show you guys exactly how it looks like, so you don't get yourself confused. Don't be confused. And this is a perfect site. Why? Because you don't have to put money, you don't have to use money to create an account. It's very free to create. And once you use the first link in the video description, it's going to give you a little bonus here for using the link. Okay, so I will urge and advise you use the link. It's very easy to use. And again, let's hit on apply and let's see what pops up. Okay, let's go right here. You can see complete and watch YouTube video. You can see SEO promo. You can see these things that are ready to pay you money, and this thing shows that there are real people that are completing it. You can see that 3 persons have already completed this offer. You can see right here for yourself, out of 29 persons, which means you still have time. Okay, if you scroll down, you can see website sign up. If you sign up, you get 10 cents right here, which is good. If you should do this offer, if you get this kind of offer 10, which means you have $1, and if you're serious, a day you can do 100 offers, which is $10. This is why I say it's very easy. And if you do the math real quick, $10 times let's say you do this five times in the week, $10 a day times 5, which is $50. I mean, that is the easiest $50 you can ever make. Okay, so this is very, very easy to use. I just want to give you guys this hint. This is what I've been doing, and I've made over $200. I know it's not much for you guys, but for you guys, some of you that are watching this video, but for you that you're broke, you don't have any money, I mean, this is the easiest way you can start to earn money. Very, very easy. So if you like this video, please, I want to beg you to subscribe to this channel, to grow the channel. Okay, you can see it says 2 subscribers right here. Subscribe. Okay,